Talking to the moon. Trying to get to you.
Yes, people, it's Funky Philly. Here I come again with my travel vlogs, crazy vlogs. Please subscribe and just make sure you lock in, man. Just lock in. Here I am in Singapore airport trying to go Thailand. Sorry, Bali. Business class is so... just feels so nice in business class, doesn't it? Yeah. I was in economy. Couldn't afford this one. Out of all the airports I've been to, this one is the most fascinating airport I've ever been to. Bali is strange. It doesn't even look like an airport. It just looks like a museum. It is actually quite strange, but I enjoyed it though. People just handing out and dishing out cards. Imagine trying to cross a road in Bali. No, there's no zebra crossings. No zebra crossings at all. Oh my days. Bam. This is big! So we just got the rental. Now we're coming to get our breakfast. Chicken stew and rice. Mixed salad. Vegetable curry. Sausages. Pork. Mac and cheese in the morning. Going ham. This is Bali, man. You know, Samsung sa. I just got charged for the flipping toll over there. The guy charged me about a monthly. Don't know what that is in English, but might probably about £2.50. But let's go. Gonna go to Monkey Island. If you're gonna drive in these countries, yeah, you gotta have mad patience. There's bikes coming out from all angles, you just don't know what to do. It's actually quite scary, you know. But yeah. Hey! Bali! It's a beautiful country. I just couldn't understand why it was so beautiful. Like everything's just natural. Home of rice. You see where you get your rice from? This is the land you get your rice from. You guys sure you don't want to...
What the bomb bucklet are going in here, man? What are you doing, man? What is going on here, man?
You drive past them, you get smacked by a bullet.
I know.
Oh, Nicholas.
Cheers. So just gone from Nusa Dua to Lavina, which is basically, I've chopped the country in half. So I've had to go through the middle of the country. But you see what's mad here? He's come here, make sure you drive safe, wear your seatbelt, wear a head helmet. I was in neutral. Thank God it's a rental. Bloody hell. I don't know whether to laugh or cry, yeah? I'm stuck on this hill. This car, I'm trying to put it in first gear to go up higher and drive up faster. And obviously I'm stuck on the hill, like, I'm a bit confused. I'm in the middle of nowhere. This has got to be a joke, isn't it? Oh, mate. This is a rattlers. Can you see the hill? Look at this. The hill. Look how steep that hill is. Mad. After being stuck on the hill for hours and waiting for emergency service, we managed to get support. Someone who managed to help us push the car and jumpstart the car. And we ended up in our hotel villa, you know, happy days. Finally, we got help. So, yeah, that's how we do it. So our mission this week is to swim with dolphins, yeah? I'm gonna try and swim with dolphins. So, wish us luck, yeah? Trying to get in there, you get me? Like, on a, whatever noise they make. What noises dolphins make? Let me be careful because there's monkeys in this little place as well. I'm literally in the jungle. in the jungle. Myth. Now I'm done. We're literally trying to get out of here. Crazy. Catching a cab because I can't drive the car because the hills are a bit mad. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not having this though, man. I'm slapping this head. My next holiday, yeah, probably has to be Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, yeah, they share the same sea as the Maldives. So I can get away with that one and say pretend I was in the Maldives. These times I'm in Sri Lanka. But Sri Lanka's lit though, don't get twisted. Yeah? Sri Lanka's lit. Get me? Right up there you got the Tamils. 300 miles that way, 300 miles that way. You can make it work. So I might go Sri Lanka. Power of the pound, my man from Hackney. Come on, where did you live? Where did you live in Hackney?
Stamford Hill.
Stamford Hill. Yeah. All the way from Bali to Stamford Hill. We're gonna do excursions, dolphins, you get me?
Yeah, hot spring.
Hot spring, bare stuff.
Yeah.
Bare stuff. Five excursions for £123. That's decent. My guy. My man. What's your name?
Katut.
Katut.
Yeah.
Katut. I'm being hustled. Look what I'm wearing. Look what I'm wearing. Hey, empty beach. I just hustle. Hey, listen. Now, when you've been in the sea, your face is hella dry. I want half of this stuff, yeah, with what these people are selling to me, yeah. I'm still gonna pay them and just be like, you know, I don't want it, but I'm just gonna give it to them because I feel like we live in a country we're fortunate enough to get what we need. You get me? So for them, it's going a long way. It's feeding mouths, but for us, like £2 for like some simple material. Might as well just run it. Might as well run it. Dolphin tour it is. Okay. So wish me luck with these dolphins. Yeah, it's about to go down right now. Inside. Listen, I've had about 1 hour sleep and I'm moving like, I say no, got ADHD in it. These locals are looking at me like, oh my gosh, look at that guy. Nothing better than waking up in the morning and going for a nice nature walk, swimming. No, I'm joking. Dolphin tour, wish us luck. We go on the other side. Oh yeah, you can tell I've got 1 hour sleep in it. Mad. Explore the world. Now they got this. This is not normal. You see, if you get to be a white woman, you make you swim with the dolphins. If you're a black man, you just get on the land. This is not normal now.
Hold on to it. Hold on to that latch. Said hold on. No, hold on. No, Philly, you got to hold on to the thing. Said relax. Hold on to that. He said if you get scared, come out. If you get scared, you're holding this. You can't hold this. Yeah. He said it's dangerous when you hold on. Don't hold on to this. Just hold on to that.
Yeah, I think swimming with those dolphins kind of sent me crazy, so this man made us a cup of tea to make me feel better. But genuinely, I don't think it did. It's freezing. I will never do it again.
You know when you've been in the sea and your face is hella dry? I'm from Africa, what you say? But that's racist though, if you think about it. Every time I see me, hashtag spicy food. Wow. So what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get some spicy food. Alright, mate. Imagine I'm trying to sleep and you hear this. Imagine waking up and seeing this in the morning. Nice, isn't it? Tired, hungry, emotional. Kept thinking I was going to bump into a Komodo dragon. You know. My experience of sleeping in a jungle, not good, man. Trust me, I heard all sorts of noise. I heard like I heard all sorts.
The more scared of it.
Oh, I was scared. I was fully scared. I was like, no.
Weed man done. I was on my best behavior. Look what the weed man done. Look what the weed man done. Look what the weed man done. I was on my best behavior. Look what the weed man done. Boy, he's going for the pit shot. He's going for the pit top. He's going to take over. He's going to take over. What a great pass. What a great pass. Fantastic. He's really going for it, this one. He's going on 5 miles an hour to the 8th car of the boys. Yeah. So he's driving really fast. He's just about to take over. He's bobbling. Oh, and then he goes. He slows down. He's waiting for his prey. And he goes down. And then he drives a pass. He's looking his left. He's looking his right. Is he going to take over? And he takes over again. What a great pass.
So they make 2 chickens fight, yeah?
Yes, and little.
So how do the chickens fight if they don't use their hands? They got like... Huh? How do chickens fight? How do they make them fight? Like that. Oh, they just like that. How about that?
Yeah.
And then the one dies,
Yes.
you eat him.
Yep.
Oh wow. So I'm gonna have seasoned chicken tonight. Jerk chicken. When the elephants fight, they use the trunk.
Yep.
And they go vroom, vroom, vroom. I can't believe elephants fight like that, man. They use the trunk. Vroom, vroom. And that's that trunk. It's got hairs on it. It's heavy. Oh wow. Guys, you know this is how you make rice. This is rice. This is rice. You know the rice and peas you get? The rice and peas and what's it? What's that jollof rice? This is rice, bro. This is rice. Huh? This is how they're making rice. This noise you can hear, please believe, the animal or creature, whatever you call it, is only this small.
It's a bird.
Huh? Sold us on an excursion, made it sound like we're gonna get a bike there. Made us walk miles. She knew what she was doing. She knows what she's done. And now she's laughing. This woman, bruv. These tour guys are taking a piss. I mean, taking a violation. I can never imagine just living in the middle of nowhere like this, you know? Just like living in the middle of nowhere, like, just nature like that, like. Hello? 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 Literally in the middle of nowhere. They just live here like. That's mad. water feels so nice, man. It's fucking nice and cold, like. Cold. I'm petrified of snakes. Ah!
I'm not for a head, sir.
This right here. We're about to go down the slide. We're about to go down the water slide in Bali. Geezer's holding my chair. Right, push me then. Right. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Awesome! I loved it! Oh wow! I want to do that again, man! Wow, this is wonderful. The water is cold. If you want to get out, follow me. About 2 deep. You want 6-pack abs? Do you want to do cardio? Follow me. Like, literally, it's so like different. You know, you just gotta find a way to really sink and swallow. I didn't say swallow, but you know, you just gotta feel it. You gotta feel the rhythm. Feel the vibe. I can swim, but I can touch the floor. But it's cool. It's cool. Ready? Okay, come with me.
I gathered from this video I'm clearly not normal. ADHD to a T, screaming and raging ADHD. Yeah, these waterfalls are amazing, man. They were absolutely like, yeah, gobsmacking. You know, like that. He was like, wow, like, it's that kind of wow factor.
Sometimes you have to appreciate everything that's given to you in life. Sometimes in life, you have to strive for the best. Be the best person, be the best version of yourself. No matter what it takes. Live the best. I want you to know that you're gonna win. You're gonna win. Feel it. Yeah.
Ask me if I ever stay in a jungle themed place again, mate. Constantly using these flipping animal sprays, insect sprays and bug sprays and getting bitten left, right and centre. Hearing funny noises. Now, the mission is to try and get from here all the way back in one piece. Wish me luck.